Yeah. You have to have it to like the back or the you can't have it in the front.
Is it recording?
Yeah, I said that already. Oh, ball.
Alright, I want to do a bike check. I got my haro back. Alright.
Haro.
Alright, like what? You cunt.
Yeah, I caught haro.
Alright. So, what's new? Kink bars.
No, let me zoom in on them. See?
Kink bars. You don't need to, just fucking back up. Alright,
See?
Kink bars, Sabrosa grips, kink wheels. I don't know what the rims are. I think they're kink too. I got an Odyssey. What the fuck? What's it called?
Chain.
No. It was like Bluebird chain or some shit like that. And soon to probably get a new frame or forks. Probably a new fucking head. Just a new fucking bike already.
Well, that stoplight really. Stop sign's like really bright with like the flashlight through the phone. Yeah. Hashtag Tyler killing himself. Yeah. That's my Santa hat.
This is my swamp.
Dumbass. That would have hurt. Could I have this phone?
Broke. It snapped in half. I got caught in my chain and snapped in half. I didn't even do it.
Huh?
Keep trying, you'll succeed.
I already did. Yeah.
That scared me. Did it scare you?
Yeah.
Is that guy like Jesus? Tyler, I believe in you.
I believe in my flesh. I mean, my name's Santa.
No, it's Patrick.
Alright, I'm gonna fake you down this.
Hold on, let me move out of the way of the stop sign. Cause it's like, let's see how like bright it is. All right. Oh, you did it.
Oh, now to get the G-turn. Can you get the G-turn?
No.
You fucking scrub.
You always like lean to like the right.
Lean.
Don't run into me, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Oh! Got the lugate in my throat. Fallen. 2014. What?
2015.
No, it's 9 days. 9 days. Yeah.
Oh,
For 2015.
shout out to Love Dogs, my sponsor. It's my signature shirt.
No, it's not your signature shirt.
Shut up, Meg.
Yeah, it's my dad's band. And we're sponsoring him. And he's also sponsored by Off-Brand Santa Hat. Well, not Off-Brand, it's a Santa Hat. Oh!
Find a fucking...
See, it's the Love Dogs look.
Now can I get the foot jam tire tap right now?
I swear to God, Frank's like talking crap to like my dad.
I didn't even tire tap. I just gotta do the foot jam tire tap and we're done.
Hold on, let me get closer up.
Yep.
Yeet.
Now for 180 is done.
Tyler, come on.
180 is done. Nate, you're so close.
I'll stand still.
Real fucking close. Oh my god! Woo!
We just had
Yes.